Hello everyone, class 1 children. Today we will start your chapter 11, handling data. As the name indicate, handling data means how to handle the data is actually when you collect any information. So just information is like this. If I send you in any class, class 1 2 3 4 5 classes, and if I ask you just go and bring how many students are in class 1, and you are asked number of students you are finding, then you are finding that class 1 has 25 students, class 2 has 330 students, then this type of collection is called as data. Okay, at home also you can find the data of types of the toys of, just like you have 5 teddy bears, you have 4 this one toy trucks or cars, so you can find that collection is called as data. Then you have to make a record, so that is called as handling of the data. So you have to write this few definitions in your notebook. So first is of data. What is data? The collection of information is called data. The collection of information is called data. I was giving you example. If you collect the data yourself, just like if I am sending you to every class and you are counting there that this class has this type of students, that number of students, class 2 has this, class 3 has this, means you are collecting yourself some information, then it is called as primary data. So there are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Primary data, if we collect information by ourselves, then it is called as primary data. And what is secondary data? If we take information from others, if you go to the clerk, he will also give you number of students, how many are in each class, then you are taking information by other means, then it is called as secondary data. So there are, what is data? The collection of information is called data. Types of data: primary data when you collect yourself, secondary data when you take from others. So these are the two types of datas. So you can pause this and you can write these definitions. Now I am telling you about the telemas. Okay, so telemas are the how to write the numbers in statistic, in handling data. So here 1 is written as like this line, little slanting line, and 2 is written like this, 3 is written like this, and 4th is 4 lines, 1 2 3 4, and 5 is 4 lines, 1 2 3 4, and for 5 you just make a cut. This one is 5. And how it is 6? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And how to write 8? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And 9 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means for 4 lines, for 5th you just cut it. And 10, how you can write 10? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And for 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now you have to write yourself all these. For 15 you write 3 times 5. For 20 you write 4 times 5. So this is for you, you can do this all. So this is your notebook work. You have to write define data, types of data, and then you have to write the telemas up to 20. So now we will come to the book side. You can pause it and write all these definitions. Now see the first page of your handling data page. You can see here, so in a park there is some swings are there. So how many of each type, that is you have to write the data downside. The columns are given to you. So first is how many these are there. There are these type of swings. You can see here there are 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what about these type of slides? 2 slides, 1 2. And what about this balance? 1. And this one type of rows, 6. Okay, now this all you have to do by checking the pictograph. This is called as pictograph. Actually in this pictograph you have to count the number of items of what type, how many are there. Then go to the next page, 157. Here you have to play with a puppy. Some children were playing with puppies in one corner of the park. Count the number of puppies and then answer the following question. You have to count how many are of this type and how many are black. 1 2 3. Okay, how many are brown and how many are white with black spots on their skin. You can see this type of puppy is only one here. So you can see here it is 1 and black are 3 and this one is 4 and this brown one is 1. So this data, this is the collection of the data you are collecting from here only. Here only you have to count the number of puppies of different color and then fill it here. Which kind of puppies are the most? Ring the picture. So here the pictures are shown to you. Which one is more? This, because they are 4. Secondly, which kind of the puppies are fewest? Fewest means less, minimum. They are this one, brown one, 1. Okay, and now how many puppies are in all? You just add them all. When you add or count them all, 1 plus 3 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. So you can write here 10. This type of puppies are 2 here. Just make a correction. Okay, 2 are there. So 10. Okay, how many this more this than this one? This type and this one. These are actually 4 and this one is 1. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 more than this. So this way you can do this page. Now we will go to the next page. Project you can do downside. You have to write the name starting with A, how many students in your class. Now this is chapter checkup. So you can write here, find out how many of these kind. Okay, butterflies of this kind is 1 2 and here 3 and this type blue one 1 2 3 4 5 and this one is 2, this color is 4, this green color is 3. Okay, just fill the data and this question is over. Now according to this data you have to answer downside. Butterflies of which color are the most? You see here blue are 5, so you can write here blue. And butterflies of which color are least? Least are this one. Okay, pink color, pink you can write. Butterflies of which two colors are same? Same is green and yellow. Yellow comma green. Okay children, so this way you can do chapter this one. First question. Second is children, how you have to count here the material in the park on this mat. How many plates are there, how many spoons are there, how many glasses, cake, bottles and these sandwiches. Then you have to fill here. You see the bottles are 2, 1 2, so fill here 2. Plates are 4, spoon are 7, glasses 6, count and write 5 and this one is 1. So this way you can do this question number 2. Keep in touch. You have to how much money is this? 10 20 plus 5 is 25. You can fill here 25. B part you can do yourself. Now we'll go to the next page. Here you have to count. This is the worksheet on page 159. You have to start from here and go like this, like this, like this, and here you have to go out. Then count how many things are there on the way. You see how many triangles are there. Count the triangles on the way. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1, see again, 1 2 3 4 5 and here it is 6. So triangles are 6. You can write here 6. Okay, how many circles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Circles are 8. You have to write 8 here. Okay, how many squares are there? This is the shape of square. 1 2 3 4. 4 square are there. Then how many rectangles are? This is the shape of rectangle, this type. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 rectangles are there. So this is 8. So this one is the, you have to count and write. That's all. Now come to the next page. Okay, this is the last page. So this is all about this chapter, data handling. Main thing in the notebook you have to write LMAs and the definitions of data, and this one types of the data and learn them. And I will share the worksheet. This chapter is small to do more and more questions for handling data. Okay children, thank you. Learn the definitions and you must know how to write the telemas. Okay, thanks to watch.